Welcome back. Now in this lecture we're going to look at validation errors. And validation errors are generated if the incoming request parameters do not pass the given validation rules. And if those validations fail, Laravel will automatically redirect the user back to the previous location with the validation errors displayed on the session. So let's see how this is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to display those validation errors on the profile view. That is, once that validation fails, then the user will be redirected back to that view and with those validation errors displayed on the session. So I'm going to display them here, that is at the top here. So first is to check if there are any errors. If errors any, I'm going to use an alert class, alert danger, then I'm going to use the for each loop so that I can get all the errors that have been generated. So for each errors all as errors or as error, and then I'm going to list them. Error, so it will list them here. So save. Let's see now from the browser. So let me change to a name which will make it fail. So update, and as you can see, we have these validation errors displayed, and one of the errors, only one, which says the name must be at least 6 characters. So that means that validation has failed. So everything is working fine. So let's see whether it will display. Let's also try for the email and see whether it will display them, all of them. Update. So as you can see, the name must be at least 6 characters. So for email it's fine, which means that validation is working fine because of this form input. So it must be an email. So everything is working fine, and I'll see you in the next lecture.